Hi guys, this is Dean again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'll be fixing my old iPad 2017 model, the A1822. So as you can see, this iPad is already damaged. The front screen or the front glass of this iPad is already cracked. So I already ordered a replacement screen or replacement glass for this iPad for only 700 pesos including the shipment from Lazada. So let's fix this iPad and give this iPad a new life. When you open the box, there are free tools included. This is the front glass replacement glass for the iPad. To soften the adhesive, I'm using a hair dryer at maximum setting. Using the suction cap, it will create a separation between the glass panel from the frame. Insert the plastic peak into the gap to separate the glass. Make sure to insert the peak gently not to damage any flex cable underneath the glass. Remove the 4 screw holding the display assembly. Lift the display assembly carefully. Avoid not to damage any flex cables underneath the display. Remove the 3 screw to detach the flex cable display to the motherboard. Remove the digitizer and the Touch ID flex cable to the motherboard. Remove any old adhesive residue from the frame of the iPad before installing the new front glass panel. Connect the digitizer assembly and the Touch ID flex cable to the motherboard. Connect the display flex cable to the motherboard. Install the metal plate cover to secure the flex cable connector. Install the 4 screw to secure the display assembly. Using microfiber cloth, remove any dust and fingerprints from the display assembly. To secure the front glass to the frame, I'm using the B7000 glue. Slowly install the front glass to the frame. Now, installation is complete.